Okay, this time we are doing something similar to what we did yesterday. The only difference is we're going to write this down in standard form. And what is slope formula? Slope equals to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Now let's practice this. So, what is y? I'm just going to name this as x1, y1, and this is x2, that is y2, 9 minus negative 6, and 8 minus negative 2. What slope equals to? This whole thing is positive, right? What is 9 plus 6? 15. And 8 plus 2? 10. And I got fraction here. All right. Simplify the fraction. 3 over 2. I simplified by 5. So that's the slope. Now I know the slope. Let's write that down. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals, we know the y. So, can one of you choose which coordinates you want me to work on? Either this or that. Oh, I hate negative numbers actually. Can we work on positive numbers? So I'm just going to work on that. X is 8 and y is 9. Y is 9. M is 3 over 2. X is 8 plus b. Nine equals, what is 3 times 8? 24 over 2 plus b. 9 equals 12 plus b. And 9 minus 12 equals b. B is negative 3. So far, so good. And let's write down the equation of line. Y equals 3 over 2 x plus b. Y equals 3 over 2x. What is the b? Y-intercept? Minus 3. This is not standard form. That's the only difference what we learned from yesterday. And I'm going to move everything from right side to the left side. Minus 3 over 2x plus 3 equals. Thank you. And I got a fraction here. All we have to make sure we don't have fraction here. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2. It's going to be 2y minus 3x plus 6 equals 0. That's the standard form. That's what we are practicing here. Let's practice.